Hey everybody, it's me Stacey here at Sizzix. Exciting news, my October collection, well, it's launched and we at Sizzix are so thrilled that you are loving it. I want to show you a little bit about this collection, how I call it a capsule collection, where it's focused, it has geometrics, it has florals, it has product that works within product, and if you have product from my March collection, boy, do I have something exciting for you. Are you ready to see what October has from Sizzix and Stacey? Let me show you. This collection is comprised of 7 items. You've got stencils, you've got embossing folders, you've got a new fanciful framelit. The first 2 items I want to share with you in this very capsulized collection of just 7 SKUs, allowing you to be able to have the entire collection, is this fabulous geometric 3D embossing folder. I love it. It's called Down the Line, and I designed it very specifically to be used with reveals paper. Not only does it have geometrics, but built into the embossing folder are all of these fabulous linear lines. So when you take out that reveals paper, whether it be the original reveals or the brand new spice reveals, you send it through your Big Shot machine, you sand the top of it, and bam, that color from the inside of the reveals just pops. But I love stenciling too, and so I've done a 2-layer stencil that works with this 3D embossing folder. Being that it's 2 layers, it's simple to use, it's value priced, and it still gives you the depth and the dimension when you put it on top of the 3D embossing folder. The benefit is the stencil works all by itself and is fabulous. The embossing folder works all by itself and it's fabulous. But when you pair them together, it truly is a little bit of magic in the making. Look at those linear lines coming through. Look at the crisp white from the detail of the stencil on top of the embossing folder. This is a card that can be made for anybody, and the blending of your inks really just sets it apart. But as much as I love geometrics and linears, I love florals too. So I did another 3D embossing folder and coordinating 2-layer stencil. It's called Sunday in the Park, and where you have these beautiful, beautiful floral elements, it also has those same linear lines, really adding to that embossing folder. When you're doing it with your reveals, this is right on opulent. All you have to do is send it through, and the opulent paper and the embossing folder did the work for you. But with the coordinating stencil, easy peasy. Look at how pretty it is. It's soft and it's elegant and it's sweet, and it is made for your bridal shower or your Mother's Day card, or being that I'm here in the UK, a Mum's Day card. So again, just like my Down the Line 3D stencil or 3D embossing folder and stencil, they work independently of each other, but they make magic together. So that's the first 4 items in this collection. The next 2 are stencils that coordinate with stamps that were previously released. Another 2-layer stencil, and it is part of my Inspire collection. Now, if you remember in March, I did a beautiful stamp called Inspire. Looks just like this, but now coloring has been made easy peasy for you with this 2-layer stencil. You stamp your image, you add your stencil, color it in, and it's done. But the stencil works all by itself and just so pretty. Love the look, love the boldness of it. And because it's an A5 size, as is the stamp, you have the option of doing an A2 card, an A6 card, a 5x7 card, a mini slimline, a slimline. The stencil and the stamp, whether you use them together or separately, give you all of those options. Backgrounds for your layouts, mixed media, art journaling. that is where you are going to find that this stencil, it soars. And when you add the stamp that you may already own, well, of course you want the stencil to go with it. And if you haven't seen it before, wait, I'm going to be doing something with it a little bit later and showing it off. But this is just one of the stencils that I have paired with an earlier stamp. The second one is called Petals. And this is very, very sweet, and it's fun, and it is useful all year round, as is all of the Stacey Park product. The longevity in the designs is that they're not so themey. You decide the theme when you add your inks, when you add your paper, when you add your mats. That's when it becomes a themed item, whether this is for a new baby or, again, for a wedding or a bridal invitation. What is it that you're creating? Are you making a pretty little mini album as a gift for somebody? This is going to be a great stencil to use. And if you have the stamp from March, we'll pair them together, and it really is something fabulous. The colors pop. They're happy, they're bright, but change the look, change the color, and you've got a completely different image. Change what you're using. This was done in glitter. And again, it becomes new all over again for you. And it allows you to take those stamps that you bought earlier and use them and get creative with them and remember why you love them so much. I love both of these. Now, the last thing I have for you is a fanciful framelit. So this is my square fanciful framelit, and I've been doing fanciful framelits throughout my entire collections here in 2024, and they really are a staple in your crafty stash, and they are different than any other type of nesting die you've seen before. And you're like, Stacey, how can they be so different? Oh, they are. You see, I've done a die and then an embossing feature, and then a die and then an embossing feature, but they're not connected. You can use just the framelit dies to make your shapes or your frames, or you can use the embossing feature with the die to add that extra element. And do they do more than emboss? You bet they do. They letterpress, they hot foil, use them with reveals paper and with a quick sand. Oh, you've made absolute gorgeous, gorgeous things happen. Look at that. It's got the sanding, it's got the embossing. We used it as a frame. We've got that Inspire stamp going on right there that coordinates with the Inspire stencil that I showed you just a little bit earlier. Fanciful framelits, they really do have an evergreen. I want it on my making space all the time because those are the shapes and the embossing features that I love. And being that they're built into the die so that you can use them on their own or with the main cut. It's about options, and then more options, and then more options. And as makers, isn't that what we're looking for? The opportunity to create and be creative. And as you grow in your making journey, you'll find new and unique ways to use these dies because they do this and that and a little bit more. I think you're going to love them, and I love the squares. They're so practical and so useful that, well, they just lend to the entire collection. It just rounds the collection out for October perfectly. Seven items that you will use today and tomorrow and next year and the year after, because it's you who decides the theme. It's you who decides what you need them to be in the moment you need to use them. I'm Stacey, and this is my October collection with Sizzix, my 4th collection. By all means, go back, take a look at my March and my May and my Nod to Christmas July, and get ready for the new Stacey Park Big Shot machine. It is coming soon, and it is beautiful. All right, you guys, I'll see you soon. Thanks.